Knowing basic health insurance terminology is an important first step to helping you understand your medical benefits. Deductible, coinsurance, out-of-pocket maximum, copayment, premium, urgent care, emergency room care, formulary, and network. These are all terms you will hear when using your health insurance. They can be a little confusing, but this video will explain the basics so that you can better understand how your health insurance works. Premium. This is the amount you have to pay for health insurance coverage. For most people with MCHCP coverage, you pay a part of the premium and MCHCP pays the rest with money from the state. Deductible. This is the amount that you have to pay for covered healthcare services before MCHCP starts to pay. There is a separate deductible for network and non-network services. Coinsurance. This is the percentage of costs you have to pay for covered healthcare services after you've paid your deductible. For instance, if the allowed amount for an office visit is $100 and your coinsurance is 20%, you would pay $20 for the office visit if you paid your deductible, and MCHCP would pay $80. Out-of-pocket maximum. This is the most that you would be responsible to pay during a year for covered healthcare services. There is a separate out-of-pocket maximum for network and non-network services. Once you've reached your out-of-pocket maximum, MCHCP will begin to pay 100% of the allowed amount for covered services. Copayment. This is a fixed amount you must pay your healthcare provider for a covered service, such as an office visit or a prescription drug. A copayment will not count towards your deductible, but will help you meet your out-of-pocket maximum. Urgent care. This is used to treat a non-life-threatening illness or injury needing immediate care but not serious enough for an ER visit. Urgent care providers are usually open earlier and later than primary care providers. Emergency room care, sometimes called ER. ER care is used to treat a sudden onset of a severe illness or injury that poses an immediate risk to your life or long-term health. Emergency room visits are the most expensive type of healthcare visit and are for true emergencies. Formulary. This is a list of approved drugs and supplies covered by MCHCP. Some drugs and supplies on the list are preferred and others are non-preferred. You may have to pay more for the non-preferred drug or supply. If a drug or supply is not on the list, it may not be covered by MCHCP. Network. This is a list of healthcare providers who will not bill you more than the amount they have agreed to accept for their services, usually at a much lower rate than for private pay patients. Providers that do not have an agreement are non-network and may bill you the difference between what MCHCP pays and what they charge for their service. Now that you know the basics, you are on your way to understanding how your health insurance works. Be sure to view the other videos on MCHCP's website to learn much more.